What is woke culture, and how are some people using it to their advantage, and why are others getting absolutely wound up about the whole thing about wokeness? Watch on and find out more. What is woke? What is a woke culture? So woke culture is a term used to describe a heightened awareness of issues such as racial injustice, sexism, homophobia. It is often associated with the younger generation, who are seen as being more progressive and open-minded than the previous generations. Woke has been met with both praise and criticism. Some people believe that it is a positive force that is helping to make society more just and equitable. Others believe that is a form of censorship that is stifling free speech and creativity. There's no doubt that woke mentality has had a significant impact on society. It's led to a number of positive changes, such as the increased representation of minorities in the media and workplace. However, it has also led to some negative consequences, such as the cancellation of popular TV shows, movies that are now deemed to be offensive, and even down to editing Roald Dahl's books. So, love it or hate it, what are some of the positive impacts and some of the negative impacts of a woke culture? So, here we go. The first one's the positive parts of this. Increased awareness of social issues. Woke has helped to raise awareness of social issues such as racial injustice, sexism, homophobia. This has led to more people being open to discussing these issues and working to address them. There's an increased representation of minorities. It's led to an increase in the representation of these minorities in the media and in the workplace. This is important because it helps to challenge stereotypes and promote diversity. Increased understanding of different cultures. This is absolutely important to all of the different cultures, and it helps to promote tolerance and understanding. So here are some of the negative impacts of a woke culture. Censorship. Woke has been criticised for leading to censorship. This is because people who are deemed to be offensive or insensitive are often cancelled or silenced and totally taken away from everything in the media. This can have a chilling effect on free speech and creativity. Division is also been criticised for leading that division. And this is because people who are woke often see themselves as being on the right side of history, and they are quick to judge and condemn those who they see as being on the wrong side. This can create a lot of tension and conflict in society. After all, trying to erase history because it's offensive rather than learning from the history. That is what history is surely all about. And then there's intolerance, and it has been criticised for leading to this across all walks of life. And people who are woke often see themselves as being the only ones who are right, and they are quick to dismiss or attack those who have a different opinion or a different view. And this can create a very, very hostile environment for those who are not woke. So overall, a woke culture is a complex issue with both positive and negative impacts. It is important to be aware of both sides, the positive and negative impact of a woke culture, so that we can make informed decisions about how we respond to it. If you would like to know more, please comment and let me know what you think, and let's have a conversation. Come on, do it now. And if you've enjoyed this video, please watch the next video just here, or subscribe to my YouTube channel just here.